How to add Spotify widget. Now if you want to add Spotify widget, it is very simple to do so. Just make sure you have got the full Spotify application downloaded on your Android or iPhone, doesn't really matter. So on both Android and iPhone, you have to simply long press on an empty space on your home screen to be able to add widgets. In the case of iPhones, we can simply go to this edit button right over here and you can see the add widget button. So just tap on the add widget option and over here you can simply search for the Spotify widget. So we'll simply go ahead and search for it, and right there you can say Spotify. Now there are different types of widgets available. If you select just this one here, you can just click on add widget and then you'll be able to add this widget wherever else it is that you want, and you can also even drag this to a certain portion that you want to, just like this. Now when you tap on the done button, any songs that you listen or a playlist, it will also show up within the Spotify playlist. This way you'll be able to add a widget on Spotify. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.